Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talkline, where learning English feels calm and simple. I'm Sarah. We speak slowly and use easy words to help you practice.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here today. The morning light is coming through my window, and it feels warm.
Hi, Sam. How are you feeling today? Tell me more about your morning so far.
I'm feeling good, thank you. I feel relaxed and ready. I woke up early and had a cup of tea. And you, Sarah, you look very calm and peaceful.
I feel calm too. I like the feeling today. I opened my window and heard the birds. It makes me smile. I'm excited about our topic because it's something we all do every day.
Oh, yes. It's a very detailed topic today. Very helpful for beginners. We can share many small steps and thoughts.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. It's easy. Just click the button below.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. It really helps our podcast grow. Your friends might like it too.
It really does. When you share, more people can learn with us. Okay, Sam, are you ready to talk a lot today?
I'm ready. So, Sarah, what is our topic today? I think it's going to be fun.
Today, our topic is my morning routine in English. We'll talk about everything we do in the morning, step by step, in simple English. We'll share our thoughts as we go.
Sounds great. Let's begin. Mornings are important. They help us start the day right.
All right, let's imagine waking up. The first thing I do is open my eyes slowly. I think, I wake up. I feel warm under my blanket. I stretch my arms up high. I stretch my legs long. Stretching makes my body feel awake.
Yes, me too. Stretching is the best. Then I look outside the window. The sun is shining and the air is cool. It's a beautiful morning. I think, it's sunny today. The weather is nice and clear. I feel fresh and new. Do you look outside too, Sarah?
Yes, always. I open the window wide. The air feels cool on my face. I hear birds singing outside. The birds are singing a song. The plants look green and fresh in the light. I feel calm and happy. The fresh air fills the room.
Yes, I like when the plants look fresh in the morning. The room feels peaceful and quiet. After that, I get out of bed slowly and walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom with small steps. I wash my face with cold water. I feel awake now. The water splashes and awakes my skin.
I also go to the bathroom right after. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I brush up and down. My teeth feel clean and smooth now. Brushing makes my mouth feel fresh.
Now I walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet in the morning. No one is there yet. I open the fridge door. I take some milk from inside. I make coffee with hot water. The kettle makes a soft sound as it heats.
Oh yes, I love coffee in the morning. It gives me energy. I also make coffee. I make coffee in the kitchen slowly. The smell of coffee is nice and strong. It wakes me up more. I pour it into my favorite cup.
After making coffee, I walk to the living room. I sit by the window and enjoy the fresh air while drinking my coffee. I drink my coffee slowly, sip by sip. The air feels good on my skin. I feel relaxed and ready. I watch the trees outside.
That sounds nice. Sitting and drinking is peaceful. After drinking coffee, I water my plants one by one. I water the plants with cool water. The plants are happy and drink it up. They look fresh and green. Plants make my home feel alive.
I like the plants too. They make the room feel better and cleaner. Now I go back to the kitchen to make breakfast. I take my time to do it right.
I make breakfast for myself and my family every day. I cook eggs and toast. I make toast in the toaster. I cook eggs in the pan. I feel ready to eat when it smells good. The eggs are soft and warm.
I do the same. I make some toast and butter it. I spread butter on the warm toast. The butter melts slowly. After breakfast, I clean up the kitchen carefully. I wash my cup with soap. I clean the table with a cloth. Everything looks neat.
Now, I sit with my family at the table. We talk for a few minutes about the day. I talk to my father about work. We watch the news together on TV. We talk about the weather outside. Family time makes me feel close.
That sounds nice. I sit with my family too. We watch the news and talk about what's happening in the world. We share stories from yesterday. We plan what to do today. It's a good way to connect.
After breakfast and talking to my family, I get ready for the day. I go to my room. I choose my clothes from the closet. Today, I'm wearing a red dress because it's bright. I feel comfortable and nice. Clothes help me feel confident.
I also choose my clothes in my room. I wear a shirt and pants. I put on my shirt button by button. I feel good in my clothes. I feel ready for work or the day. I check myself in the mirror.
Once I'm dressed, I check everything before leaving. I make sure I have my keys, phone, and wallet in my bag. I grab my bag from the table. Nothing is forgotten.
I do the same. I check the time on my watch and grab my bag. The time is 8 o'clock. My bag has my lunch inside.
Now, here's where I use my mobile again. I first check my phone for messages from work or friends. I check WhatsApp on my phone. I see my friend's message about plans. I reply to my friend with a quick note. It's fast.
Yes, I do the same. I also check my messages in the morning. It's the first thing I do after dressing. I read emails from work. I send a message to my brother. Keeping in touch is important.
Then, I charge my phone if needed. I make sure my phone is on the charger. I plug my phone to the wall. It's charging now and the light is on. The battery fills up.
After that, I check the time again. I see the clock and think it's time to leave for the day. But I take one more deep breath.
Before I go, I sometimes check Instagram or watch a few short reels to relax my mind. I watch a funny video on my phone. I feel happy and laugh a little. It's a small, fun moment.
I do the same. Sometimes I watch a short video to wake up my brain. I see a video about animals. It makes me smile before going out.
After relaxing for a few minutes, I'm ready to leave the house. I leave the house and lock the door. The weather is nice outside. I feel excited for the day ahead. The sun feels good. Before I leave, I'm meeting my friend outside sometimes. We talk about our memories from university. I meet my friend at the gate. We talk about university life and classes. We laugh together at old stories. It brings back good times.
That sounds nice. I also remember my university days sometimes. We had fun with friends. We learned many things. Memories are sweet.
After meeting my friend, I feel happy and ready to go. I leave the house and walk outside again. I walk out of the house slowly. The weather is nice and windy. I feel excited for the day and what comes next.
I walk to my car in the driveway. It's a short drive to work. I drive to work on the quiet road. The road is clear with few cars. I think about my day.
Before I go, I check my phone one last time for messages from family. I check my phone quickly. I send a quick message to my family saying good morning. It makes them happy.
When I arrive at work, I'm ready to start my day. I arrive at the office parking. I feel ready for work and meetings. The building looks busy.
Same here. I feel the same way. Now, let's talk about how we spend the day at work. I check my emails on the computer. I start working on my tasks one by one. Work feels good when I'm prepared.
I go to my desk and organize my work for the day. I start my work with a list. I feel focused and strong. My colleagues say hello.
Later in the day, I take a break to rest. I walk outside and get some fresh air. I take a break in the garden. I walk around the office slowly. I feel refreshed and new. Breaks help me think better.
I also take a break in the afternoon. Sometimes I talk to my coworkers about lunch. I talk to my coworkers in the break room. We discuss work or have small talks about weekends. We share laughs. It's friendly and nice.
It's important to take breaks to stay energized throughout the day. Without breaks, we feel tired. Now, for our listeners, let's think about evenings, but today we focus on mornings mostly.
Yes, mornings set everything.
Now, practice time. It's your turn. Think about your own morning routine. Say these thoughts in your head.
I wake up in my bed. I feel the warm blanket. I stretch my arms high. I stretch my legs long. I open the window. The air is cool.
I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with water. I brush my teeth clean. I make coffee hot. The smell is good. I drink slowly.
I water my plants. They look happy. I make breakfast eggs. I eat with family. We talk and laugh. I choose my clothes.
I check my phone messages. I reply to friends. I charge my phone. I watch a short video. I leave the house. I feel ready.
Yes, try it every day. Keep it simple and repeat these thoughts in English. It gets easier with time.
Do not worry if you miss some. You're learning. Start small, like 3 thoughts.
And don't forget to share your morning routine in the comments. Tell us what you do in the morning in English. We read them all.
Examples. I wake up at 6. I make tea. I talk to my cat. I feel happy.
We'd love to hear your routines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps us make more.
Thanks for listening today. Have a great morning and a productive day. Think in English tomorrow.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, Sam.
Bye, Sarah.